Karl Ehmer Pinklewurst. It's our highest selling product and traditionally served with kale, but today I'm going to show you how to make it in a hash brown. You're going to start by washing your potatoes and grating them into a colander. As after you're finished grating them, you're going to rinse them with cold water until the water runs clear, which should be 10 to 15 seconds. Next, using either cheesecloth, a towel, or paper towel, carefully squeeze your potato to let out all the extra moisture. Pinklewurst is a super interesting sausage. It's made up of oats and fat, and it has a really nice bacony flavor to it. And I think that will just go great with these potatoes. Microwave your Pinklewurst for 1 minute to loosen the casing before cutting it open and placing its contents in the bowl with the potatoes. To make our hash brown, you're going to add an egg, 3/4 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 1/4 each of salt and pepper, so 1/4 tablespoon salt, 1/4 tablespoon pepper, and a large tablespoon of paprika. You could add as much as you want. I think the more the better. Mix that up with your hands and then heat up a large drizzle of oil in a pan over medium-high heat. You're going to start by making your hash brown into little balls and then flattening them with your spatula, or you could use the bottom of a mug. I would do about 4 to 5 minutes on each side to get that nice crispy golden color. I am so happy with how this recipe came out. The Pinklewurst really added a nice smoky flavor to it that was super unexpected. I am 100% making these again.